This is the Log-Rite Fetching Arch. Now this tool is very similar to the ATV arch you see right over here. I've had that ATV arch for about 6 years, use it all the time. And this tool looks a whole lot like it, but it's a lot different. It's used for fetching timber or logs, that's what they call it, the fetching arch. Kind of in bad areas where you can't go with a tractor or any kind of logging equipment. And the reason we acquired this tool is because we have a lot of white oak to harvest over at the farm this year, and it's pretty steep over there. The tractor really can't go in a lot of those areas because it's kind of wet toward the bottom. So we're going to pull a lot of those logs uphill to the landing where it's dry, and this tool will make that job a whole lot easier. Instead of pulling that log directly on the ground uphill and worrying about running into stumps and rocks or whatever over there, this is going to raise the log off the ground on the front end and make it a lot more easier to pull up the hill. Now next week I'm going to start dropping those trees, and we're going to take this arch over there and start using it. And things are going to get pretty interesting at that point. I got a lot of stuff in store for that job over there using this arch. I'm going to be using this arch also once I get them up to the landing, because the tractor's not there every day. Because my friend that owns that farm, he's pretty busy, so he can't be there every day. So I'm going to have both arches over there to do the same job. This arch will pull the timber up the hill, and the ATV arch beside me will take the timber down to where the sawmill is. So what you do, you back this over the log or the piece of timber, and it's got some log tongs on the other end of it. I think the capacity is 24 inches. Now the specs of this particular fetching arch I'll put down in the description below if you want to read more about it. But you lower this down, and the tongs will separate on top of the timber, and when you bring it up, those tongs will close in, and you got the log off the ground. Once you have the timber on the log, there's a hook on the front of it here. It's what you hook a winch to, a tractor, a truck, whatever you want to pull it with. You hook it to right here. There's also some accessories you can get to this log arch. I just got the regular fetching arch as it comes. You can get a handle for the front, which I think it extends at 2 or 3 feet. I'm not sure, I can't remember, I read about it, but it really enables you to use it with 1 or 2 people to move timber around if you're on some pretty level ground. And they also make another attachment that hooks in the front, and it puts a tow tongue on it and a winch, and it pretty much mates it into an ATV arch like I have over here. So you can pretty much get one of these things and get that ATV arch attachment, not have to have 2 Log-Rites like I have here. I like having 2 of them, to be honest with you. More tools the better. Now that's going to make a whole lot more sense when there's a log underneath that. That's just trying to give you guys an idea of what I'm talking about here when I talked about being a fetching arch. Next week and the week after, when we start getting that timber down, you'll be able to see it in action and make a whole lot more sense to you. Kind of hard to explain without nothing underneath it. But anyways, Log-Rite makes and sells these. And if you're interested in them, I'll leave a link down below. Now Log-Rite's the same company that makes the Cant Hooks that I use, the Hookaroon that I use all the time. They make all that stuff. So if you're interested more in it, you can read all about it on their website and read all the specifications of them and what it will do. So this is kind of a short video. Just wanted to show you guys what this tool was that I spoke about right before Christmas. We kind of been shut down here for the past few weeks, and now we're going to get back up and running and kind of go full speed into 2018 and do some real cool stuff on the channel. And then a lot of you guys thought this was a sharpener that I talked about getting last year, and that's coming this spring without a doubt. I just needed this tool first, and we're going to get that going here in a few months as well. So anyways, we will see you guys back here in a few days. Tomorrow I'm going to be running the wood-mizer to saw up some fencing, and I'll try to take the cameras with me and do a little video and over there tomorrow as well, do a little sawmill video. So anyways guys, that's what it is. It's a Log-Rite fetching arch, and I appreciate you guys watching the channel and subscribing and hitting the like button. And I've had a lot of people lately that's bought wood-mizers, and a lot of people were interested in the kiln that we built. And I sure enjoy those emails from you guys, and you send me emails, show me your new wood-mizer. I know Matt down in, I think it's down in Rogersville, he just bought an LT35 recently. And there's another Homestead channel, and I talked to this guy the other day. He's up in Kentucky, and I can't remember his name for nothing. But I'll leave a link to his channel down below, and he's getting an LT40 here, I think this month. So keep on sending those emails. It's always interesting to hear you guys, what you're all into and what kind of sawmill you require. So we'll see you guys tomorrow with the wood-mizer going.